box that they just started doing, and this is the first one, and I haven't opened it, so I've been waiting to open it with you guys. So from what I saw on HSN, which is where I got it, it's jam-packed full. So, oh, and sorry about my hair. I've had short hair my entire life, and my hairdresser and I said, let's grow it out. I said, okay. Yeah, I know why I didn't have long hair. It's very thin, it just hangs, so I apologize. But it's off my bucket list. I have had a ponytail, and I'm good. That's it. So I have my Diet Coke ready, and I'll just put you down and we'll go through the box together. Okay, so this is it. And sorry, I need glasses now too. Falling apart. And this is called Edibles. And if you don't know already, Edibles, they don't cut through the paper on one side. They only cut around it. And you can do a lot of really great things with it. So, let's see. It says there are over 400 elements in this box. It's all packaged nice and pretty, just like Sarah. There she is. Okay, so thank you for my purchase. Okay, so the first thing is these really beautiful, perfect color. Isn't that gorgeous? I forget what you call these, little half pearls, I guess you would call them. She also, I had heard, I believe she said it, that we were getting all different cards that fold all the different ways, you know, the stacks and the steps and all that. So there is 3 packages of those. There are card blanks and envelopes, and I'm not sure what this is because there's a diagonal stripe going down that's scored, so I'm sure that's some fun kind of fold. This one, they all come with envelopes also. So here's another one that just looks like maybe 6 by 6 square. And this looks like regular 5.5 by 4.25. Oh, and then look at this pretty ribbon. Isn't that beautiful? You know what? They really do a nice job with all of their colors and all of their things that they use. Oh, look at these. Aren't they? I'm just loving this. They just, look at how well everything matches. Where are my little pearls? Isn't that gorgeous? So I guess they, I signed up to get this off of HSN, and I think it sold out really quick. And they said that maybe, you know, for the second month, they might be able to get more people, but I just know it's coming to me again next month. But I will leave you, I'll attempt to leave you with the link to Crafters Companion and to HSN so you can find out for yourself if it's possible to get in on this. And I think it was only rushed because, I think it was only rushed because it was on HSN and everybody saw it and everybody was just, and they had to stop taking orders for them because it just, there was no way they could get any more out by the end of June because it was already, I mean the end of May, because it was already like May 1st or, you know, 2nd. Ooh, colored cardstock. Let's have a look. Okay. 4 yellow, 4 of like this Kelly kind of a green, 4 blue, 4 brown, which is kind of like a cardstock, I guess, more than a brown color. Pretty, pretty green. And 4 of the pink. And I kind of brushed by these and I didn't even open them. They look like just embellishments made of kind of like a thin cardstock, but you get, let's see, together is a wonderful place to be. Precious memories. It's just really, really cute. So I guess you get 2 of each. So this is the first one. And this is the second one, which is handmade with love, a special gift for you. So this is something that you can put either on the back of your cards and let people know that you made them. And that's kind of very cute. And here is another really cute one. To live, love, laugh. You are fantastic. Fantastic. With love, best wishes. So there are 2 of those. And congratulations. Happy birthday. With love on your birthday. And the roses are just so pretty. Let's see. Always and forever, especially for you. Bon voyage, amore. Sending good thoughts on your way. And there's 2 of those. And this is the last one, which is happy birthday to a dear friend. Bonjour. You are my sunshine. And cherish every moment. And that's the last of that. And I left something on the bottom here. Okay, so here are some rub-ons. Open that up and see what's on those. Okay, so we've got sending birthday wishes. And you know what, these are the nice ones that are clear. And see, they kind of blend in with the card so you don't really see the edging with the nice, all these different wreaths and the flowers. You make me smile, heartfelt thanks. And then it's the same thing, but in the white. I don't know if I can see that. Let me hold the black up. So it's this exact thing, but in the white rub-on. And that means there are 2 of these. Hello, love, thanks. Postcard, which is always pretty when they have those postcard markings on your card. And also they come in white. And now the good stuff. At the bottom, you get 2 dies. And this first one kind of looks like a little crown for me, but so what it would do would be to cut on one side, but not cut on the end. So you could basically, if you had the right size paper, just do it here and you would get the design off the end, but it wouldn't cut your paper in half. And then last but not least is wishing you a happy birthday. And again, this is an edgeable where it would, you could do it on a fold and it would pop, when you unfolded it would pop up and you would see the wishing you, and then it would pop out that. So as you can see, it is a chock full box of Crafter's Companion. Oh wait, I don't think we went through the paper. Hang on. It's been a rough day here. Yesterday in Massachusetts, where I live, it was 90 degrees, and today it is 40 and raining. I don't know what happened to spring in New England, but it's gone. Okay, so here is the first, and it's just got those pretty roses again. I'm not sure how many pieces. I'm guessing 4 to go with the cardstock. And it is. And here is the second. And I believe these are 8x8 paper. No, I think it's 6x6. Hang on. Nope, it's 8x8. I thought so. So this is the second, again with the really pretty flowers and all of the swirls. And again, you're getting 4 of those. 2, 3, 4. And this is the next one. I love the whole craft look kind of thing. You know, and the flowers are gorgeous. Let's see. And next, oh, look at this gorgeous blue. I don't know if you can see it that well, but all in here, it's such a pretty powder blue. And it's probably the same blue that is in the cardstock, or a lot, you know, one that would match well. It's really pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous pretty. All right, and last but not least, again with that cardstocky kind of a look, and the flowers, it's just so pretty, very pretty. So that looks like the end of the box. And I am getting together things to have a drawing as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, and when we get closer, the more you share it and post it, we'll give you extra chances to win. And I will be giving something from Stampin' Up, which I just signed up for, but I also do love other lines of gorgeousness. And so I will be giving something Stampin' Up, something, a Tim Holtz stamping platform thing, because I need room for my Stamparatus from oh, I can put you up from Stampin' Up, which I can't wait to get, because I did not get in on the whole, you know, the holding it and everything. So I can't wait to get that. And so it'll be a big deal when I get 1,000. So please check back, share, and help me get there. And I will definitely have quite a few good things that I will be giving away. So have a great night, nice weekend. Hopefully your weather is better than ours. And I'll be back next week. Thanks.